don't think I've ever seen a box built like this before. This is cool, unique. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Yours? Very nice. This is really impressive. So do you know the equipment in here and your name? Go ahead.
My name's Krystal, digital audio.
Okay.
4 NSB6s on 4 salt 8Ks.
Okay. Whoa, a 6K per sub? Wow.
No, 8Ks.
Oh, 8Ks. Okay, sorry.
We changed the name.
Got it. Okay, you're good. Oh, so you've done some work on it. Very nice. Wow. What color paint job and how did you do this? This is really nice.
We just painted. It's car paint.
Okay, that worked. Good, nice. Do you know the tunings on it? It's going to be a really hard question because it's very unique.
We just started playing with it in the last 2 days.
Oh, okay, got it. So learning it.
It's like around low 30s, high 20s so far.
Yes, ma'am. Nice. These must be new subs. I've never really seen these before.
That's the new NSB6s.
Oh, okay. Wow. Neo subs.
Yep.
That helps compensate for efficiency. I don't think I've ever seen a box built like this before. This is cool, unique.
It's the only one on the East Coast.
Okay, nice. This is a nice paint job. Wow. This looks like a Paraflex style box. Wow. Awesome. Is the back open? I'm gonna go look at it too. Floor is solid. Wow, everything is. That's nice. Oh, your lithium's there. Wow. Yeah, I saw that. That's crazy. You got a really tight space to fit it in here.
We gotta give them something new to say. Like what? Let's land on something else. With your bar, trying to drink my unborn. Licking on each other, acrobatics with they tongue. Shake it like Beyonce, go ring the alarm.
Response. Wow, this is nice. Is this yours? Very nice. This is really impressive. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a box built like this before. This is cool, unique. Okay, nice. So thank you very much for the demo. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you too.